So many times our Python environment is shared and there are many users who update packages because of which the functionality breaks down. So if you want to keep a track of what has changed in the packages over a period of time, so you can use this mdpython.debug utils version. So I'll show a sample output, then I'll show how to use this. So suppose this is one application environment app underscore dev. So I want to see what changes have been done. So I run this program. I say version.timeline. I give the application name and I provide the path where we have stored the details. And okay, so when I provide this, it provides me a report in this format. Let me copy this to notepad to make it more clear. So if you see, it gives the history in reverse chronological order. So in the current version there is no change. Okay, so between the last checkpoint and current version there is no change. On 21st April 2024, Oracle DB was modified and it was made to version 2.1.2. Okay, then on 21st April on 21/7/19, so these packages were added: PYC parser, Oracle DB 2.0.0. Then there is a cryptography. On 21 April 2024, 21/5, these packages were added: Postgres and this. On 21 April 2052, no change compared to previous. Okay, so similarly you will see the entire timeline of which what all packages were added, modified or removed. In that case, if anything is removed, then that will also show. Okay, so this is how the report will look like. Okay, so say so even if it is removed, it will show over here. Okay, so what we have to do is we can have a job which runs on a daily basis, which runs this version dot save. So when we run this version dot save, what happens is in this folder d:data version, it will create a version file. So this is the version file. So this has been created for the current date and it contains the package and its version in a JSON format. So this is used as an input for our timeline. Okay, so suppose if I add any one additional package over here, py-m pip install, so I can either install it in the main or in the user directory. Okay, so any package if you want to install. Okay, so say for example request. Okay, so this is already there. Let me try installing some other package. Okay, so this is installed. Now if you want to just see the latest change, what has been changed to the previous version, we can say version compare. Okay, so here it will show. So this has been added: Django, ASGRF and SQL parts. Okay, so these three packages are added. So we can, if you want to see the complete history, we can see version.timeline. So this will show the complete timeline. So this is current, added and previous. And if you want to save this for future reference, we can say version.save. So this will again create a file as discussed over here. So one new file is created. So in production like environments, we can have this version.save which runs on a daily basis. And if there is any issue or if you want to debug, then we can use this version.timeline to get a report of what has changed.